Industrial revolution was a period of profound change, transforming societies from agrarian economies to industrial powerhouses. This era, which began in the late 18th century, introduced new technologies and methods that reshaped every aspect of life, including how medicines were produced. For this time, drug manufacturing was largely a small-scale manual process, often carried out by local apothecaries using traditional recipes. As we explore the impact of the Industrial Revolution, we'll see how these changes laid the groundwork for the modern pharmaceutical industry. For the Industrial Revolution, drug manufacturing was a craft passed down through generations. Apothecaries and herbalists relied on local plants and manual techniques to create remedies. Each batch was unique and quality control was minimal. Medicines were often prepared for individual patients, making consistency and large-scale distribution nearly impossible. This limited the reach and effectiveness of treatments, especially as populations grew and urbanized. The need for more reliable and accessible medicines became increasingly apparent as society evolved. With the advent of the Industrial Revolution, factories began to replace small workshops. Steam engines and mechanized equipment allowed for the mass production of goods, including medicines. This shift meant that drugs could be manufactured in larger quantities with greater consistency and efficiency. The factory system also introduced specialized roles, dividing labor among workers to streamline production. This was a turning point, making medicines more widely available and affordable for the growing population. One of the most significant impacts of industrialization was the standardization of drug manufacturing. Machines enabled precise measurements and consistent mixing of ingredients, ensuring that each dose contained the same amount of active compounds. This greatly improved the safety and effectiveness of medicines. Regulatory bodies began to emerge, setting standards for purity and labeling. As a result, patients and doctors could trust that medicines would work as intended, marking a major advancement in public health. Industrial revolution fueled rapid progress in the field of chemistry. Scientists began to isolate and synthesize active ingredients from plants and minerals, leading to the creation of more effective drugs. Laboratories became centers of innovation, where new compounds were tested and refined. This scientific approach replaced much of the guesswork that had characterized earlier medicine, paving the way for breakthroughs like aspirin and antibiotics in the years to come. As drug manufacturing scaled up, small apothecaries evolved into large pharmaceutical companies. These businesses invested in research, production, and distribution networks, making medicines available on a national and even global scale. The rise of these companies also meant increased competition, driving further innovation and efficiency. Pharmaceutical firms became key players in the healthcare system, shaping the development and accessibility of new treatment. Industrial revolution also transformed transportation, with railways and steamships connecting distant regions. This made it possible to distribute medicines quickly and efficiently, reaching patients far from manufacturing centers. Improved logistics ensured that life-saving drugs could be delivered where they were needed most, reducing the impact of epidemics and improving public health outcomes. The ability to move products at scale was a game-changer for the pharmaceutical industry. With mass production came the need for strict quality control. Factories implemented standardized procedures and regular inspections to ensure that every batch of medicine met safety standards. This reduced the risk of contamination and errors, protecting consumers from harmful products. The focus on quality also helped build public trust in manufactured medicines, encouraging more people to seek medical treatment and adhere to prescribed therapy. Era also saw the rise of patented medicines, proprietary formulas protected by law. Companies marketed these products aggressively, often making bold claims about their effectiveness. While some were genuine breakthroughs, others were less effective or even harmful. This highlighted the need for regulation and scientific validation, leading to the eventual establishment of agencies like the Food and Drug Administration to oversee drug safety and efficacy. Mass production and distribution of medicines contributed to major improvements in public health. Vaccines, antibiotics, and other drugs became widely available, helping to control infectious diseases and extend life expectancy. The Industrial Revolution made it possible to respond quickly to health crises, providing treatments at a scale never before seen. This era marked the beginning of modern medicine's role in society. Despite its many benefits, industrial drug manufacturing also brought challenges. The focus on profit sometimes led to unethical practices, such as false advertising or the sale of unsafe products. Environmental pollution from factories became a concern, as did the exploitation of workers. These issues sparked debates about the responsibilities of pharmaceutical companies and the need for oversight, shaping the industry's development in the decades that followed. In response to these challenges, governments introduced regulations to protect consumers and ensure drug safety. Laws were enacted to require testing, accurate labeling, and quality assurance. Regulatory agencies were established to oversee compliance and investigate violations. These measures help restore public confidence and set the stage for the rigorous standards that govern drug manufacturing today. Advances of the Industrial Revolution eventually led to the globalization of drug manufacturing. Companies established factories and distribution networks around the world, making medicines accessible to people in distant countries. This global reach brought new opportunities and challenges, including the need to harmonize standards and address disparities in access to healthcare. The pharmaceutical industry became a truly international enterprise. Legacy of the Industrial Revolution is evident in the ongoing innovation within the pharmaceutical industry. Advances in automation, biotechnology, and data analysis continue to transform drug development and manufacturing. The spirit of progress that defined the Industrial Revolution lives on, driving the search for new treatments and cures. This commitment to innovation remains essential for addressing the health challenges of today and tomorrow. Summary: the Industrial Revolution fundamentally changed drug manufacturing, making medicines safer, more effective, and widely available. The shift from manual production to industrial processes laid the foundation for the modern pharmaceutical industry. While challenges remain, the innovations of this era continue to shape healthcare and improve lives around the world. The story of the Industrial Revolution in drug manufacturing is one of transformation, progress, and enduring impact.